What's going on, guys? It's been a very long time since I've posted. I want to say maybe about a month and a half, 2 months maybe. I kind of lost track already. But today it's just gonna be a nice quick little video. My car is just completely dirty. I'll give you a quick little look of how it looks outside and inside, and it's just super dirty, guys. Let me show you. So as you guys can see, the outside is super dirty, very dusty. I actually have only washed the car once since I got it, and that was the last time I posted a video on how I typically like to wash my car. And then the inside is just very dusty, guys. I always have the windows down, just from people eating in my car, and it's just very dirty. Then as you guys can see in the cup holders, there's some green stuff there. I had a candle I had a candle melt, and it just looks gross. Anyways, guys, let's head over to the car wash and let's get started on cleaning this. Alrighty, guys, so the car is clean on the outside. I'm gonna have my dad actually detail the inside just to make it look amazing. As you guys can see, everything is still wet. I did go ahead and use the spot-free rinse, so I'm just gonna hop on the freeway and head home, and everything should look amazing on the outside by the time I get home. So let's go home, guys. Alrighty, guys, so we are all done, or at least my dad is all done. Let me show you guys how good this car looks. Alright, guys, look at this. Look how clean everything is. No more dust right here on the screen. The center console looks amazing. No more candle wax down there. Just everything looks super clean, guys. Even the leather on the seats, he took care of it. Everything is amazing. He's finishing up outside right now, but everything looks super clean. Guys, every time my dad takes care of my cars, every time he's taken care of my truck in the past, it looks better than when I bought it. So I always let him take care of it. We have everything that we need to buff it, to wax it, just completely from start to finish. If you guys do live in the San Diego area, around Lakeside, El Cajon, you guys are more than welcome to comment down below if you guys need your car detailed, and we can work something out, guys. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I know it's been a long time since I posted, but I did want to get at least a quick little video out to you guys. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for the support lately. We are so close to 300 subscribers, guys. Hopefully by the end of the month we can hit that goal. So make sure you subscribe if you're new. Make sure you can go ahead and drop a like on this video and a comment if you guys want your car detailed. Have a great day, guys.